Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll try to clean up this cluster lens. This piece of plastic right here seems to be sort of fogged up, sort of scratched up, even though there's no reason for it, and this truck is only a couple years old. So there's a few different ways that I've heard to clean these. You can use something by Meguiar's, like a plastic cleaner, some kind of a compound, a couple other mists that I've heard of, and one of them is to use olive oil, and that's the one we're gonna test out today. So I've got my olive oil. We're just gonna put a little bit on a cloth like this. We'll wipe it down and let's see how it works. All right, I got a little bit on our cloth. Let's clean it up. Okay, I'm gonna buff it out using another part of the towel. We'll just kind of wipe everything off once or twice. As I accidentally turn on the windshield wipers. All right, my initial instinct is this looks way cleaner. I don't know how much is showing up on the video. This did make a significant difference. This looks way better. A lot of the fogginess has gone away. A lot of the small scratches seem to have disappeared. I don't think they went away. I think they just kind of aren't as visible. But I'm a little bit hesitant to say that this is a huge success, because what happens when this oil dries up? Does it still look this nice and neat? Do we have to keep reapplying it each week or month or what? So I'll make a follow-up video at the end of this video. I'll put a link to it. We'll do maybe a 1-month check-in and maybe a 6-month check-in and see if this works. So far, so good. It really did clean it up pretty well. Hey friends, I hope today's video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.